Just got these super cool training wheels. Let me show you how they go on a bike. It comes with 2 blue wheels, black rim, all the necessary little tools. And then you can adjust the height of the training wheel rim. You can make it higher, or you can make it low, so the bike will ride more on the training wheels versus the actual wheel. It's very cool. So now we're tightening it. They light up in many different colors when they're turned. So after we tighten it, that's pretty much it. Very simple to put together. They do what they're supposed to, and my kids like that they light up. Win-win for us.